In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project timeline dashboard in Notion. This dashboard will help you visualize project timelines, track progress, and manage deadlines in one place so you can plan with confidence and stay organized. Start by opening Notion and signing into your workspace. In the top left corner, click the drop-down and choose Browse Templates. This opens Notion's template gallery, a great shortcut so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Use the search bar in the gallery and type Project Timeline or Timeline Dashboard. You'll see a variety of options. Take a moment to review the available templates and compare their layouts and features. Look for things like how tasks are grouped, the date ranges they support, and how the visual timeline is presented. Choose the one that best fits your workflow and click Add. Notion will automatically add that timeline dashboard to your workspace. Open the newly added dashboard from the left sidebar. This page will be your main hub. Most templates include a project database with useful properties like task name, start date, end date, status, and owner. Review these fields to make sure they align with the way you and your team work. Now start adding your project tasks or milestones to the database. Give each item a clear action-oriented name and be sure to assign both start and end dates so they appear correctly on the timeline. If an item is missing dates, it won't show up in the timeline view. If the template already includes a timeline view, switch to it. If not, click Add a View, select Timeline, and set the correct date properties for start and end. Adjust the timeline scale if needed so you can comfortably see days, weeks, or months. To keep things readable, group or filter tasks. Try grouping by project, status, or assignee to highlight who's doing what. Filters are handy for showing only active tasks or upcoming deadlines, which reduces noise and keeps your focus tight. Make the dashboard your own. Adjust column properties, rename fields to match your terminology, tweak colors for tags or statuses, and reorder sections so the most important information sits at the top. For more context, add supporting elements above or below the timeline. Linked databases, quick progress summaries, or a notes section can help you capture decisions and highlight key milestones. Create additional views as needed. A table view is great for editing details in bulk. A board view organizes tasks by status, and a calendar view makes date-driven planning effortless. Keep reviewing and refining as projects evolve. Update dates, regroup tasks, and fine-tune filters to keep the timeline accurate and useful. Now use your dashboard to monitor progress, spot overlaps early, and stay ahead of deadlines. Your project timeline dashboard in Notion is now set up and ready to support effective planning and execution. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.